Good morning guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shoutout specially kay Sir JC of Muntinlupa. Sir, welcome. This is your unit. Tetest na natin with the video. The 1911 MEU with the code number 728 by Double Bell. Okay, so hindi po siya nabubuksan ever since. So, bagong-bago pa po. And it comes with the free BBs, airsoft BBs, 20 grams, 0.20 grams, 4,000 shots. And also comes with free standard power green gas pop dino. Okay, so buksan na natin yung unit. Comes with the hard case. So si Double Bell, meron talaga siyang case, no? So lahat ng unit ni Double Bell, especially pistol, is may kasama na siyang case, okay? So Sir JC, this is your unit. Oh, sorry. Okay. 1911 MEU. Yun. Very nice. And so may mga factory oil pa siya. Bagong-bago. With the markings. And okay, so yung grip niya, itong cover niya, this part here, ay plastic lang. Okay, plastic lang siya. But, napapalitan din naman siya. Meron siyang allen dyan. No, hindi siya allen. Screw siya. Screw. So, meron siyang screw na yan, napapalitan naman siya ng grip. Marami namang mga aftermarkets na grip. Yan, tanggalin mo lang yung screw to remove the grip. And the rest is made of metal. So, metal siya. Yung slide niya is metal. Yung frame niya is also metal. And also the magazine is also metal. Yan. So, that is why 1911 is a full metal. Okay? Yan. Okay. It also has a beaver tail. Ambidextrous manual safety. Yan. Ambidextrous manual safety. We'll check the manual safety. Okay. It's working. Up for safety, down for fire. And okay. And we also we will check the beaver tail if it's still working. Still also working. Ayan, the beaver tail. Once hindi press, di siya gagana. Ayan. Okay. So, yan. Okay, this is the 1911 MEU by Double Bell. So, kumbaga sa real steel, this is 45. And then, yung kanyang sight is adjustable, I think. No. Ano siya? Fixed rear sight and also fixed front sight. Fixed front sight, fixed rear sight. So, meron siyang Allen screw. Meron siyang Allen screw pero hindi siya for adjustment. Hindi siya for adjustment, no? So, naka-fix yung rear sight niya and also with the front sight. Check natin kung may thread. Ayan, may thread yung barrel niya so you can install suppressor, tracer units here. Ayan, serrations on front, serrations on rear, serrated na siya. Ayan, ayun. So, the only plastic ay ito lang, yung cover, grip cover. Yan lang yung plastic sa 1911. And the rest, metal. So, check natin yung loob. Alright. Okay, check lang natin yung loob. So, pagtatanggal ng slide, you need to press yun sa kabilang side. Ito, press mo siya para mahugot mo yung lock. Ayan. And this is the internals. So, ang plastic lang dito, ito, the loading nozzle. And it comes with extra. Ayan, may extra siya na loading nozzle. Ito yon. And also comes with the, tag dito, yung cleaning rod. Okay, dual purpose siya. Cleaning rod, and pwede rin siyang panundot pag in case may mga bara sa barrel. Pwede rin siya. Okay? So, ayan. So, pagbabalik, ganun lang din. Sa center mo lang yan dyan. Lagay mo yung lock. Yun. Okay. The magazine is double stock. Now, this one is double stock. May mga 1911 kasi na single stock. So, I think this is 18 rounds. Lagyan lang natin ng bala. Kung meron kayong BB loader, much better. Para hindi kayo magmano-mano. So, naubusan lang tayo sa store ng BB loader. Kaya mano-mano tayo. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, lagyan natin siya ng 12. Kasi magko-chronograph test tayo. So, I'm using 0.20 grams. I'm using 0.20 grams BBs. Ayan. And then, lagyan natin ng gas. So, sa paglalagay ng gas, check natin yung gas mo, sir, no? Kung nagkakarga ba. So, yun. Lagi ko namang sinasabi sa video na always inverted position, ganito. And then, iwasan nyo yung jerking, no? Iwasan nyo po yung diin ng diin. No? Iwasan nyo yun kasi may rubber yan. Yan. Hindi lang napapansin masyado, pero may rubber yan. Yung part niyan, sa may valve na yan, eto, yan, may maliit na rubber. So, once yan ay natanggal or tumalsik, hindi na siya magkakarga. Doon makakargahan siya, pero konting-konti lang ang makakarga. Okay? So, iwasan nyo yung jerking, no? Isang diin lang, no? Pagka-press, yan, then isang diin lang, isang press lang. 1, 2, 3. Yan, das dahan-dahan lang yung hugot. Okay, so iwasan jerking. Then always check nyo kung may goma pa. Yan. So kung nawala naman yung goma, meron naman tayong available na O-ring para dyan. Okay? So, before natin i-chrono test, okay, ayan. Before natin i-chrono test, okay, shout out kay Sir JC. Gasan to Sir JC. Montinlupa. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit. Yan. Professional Cal 45. Ganda, no? But this is not a, hindi siya engraved. So, para lang siyang, painted lang. No, hindi siya engraved totally. Okay? Ayan. May Springfield pa, no? Ayan. So, before natin siya i-chronograph test, no, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung unit. Ayan. Bigat niya. Full metal. I think this is, mahigit siya 1 kilo eh. I think nasa, tingnan nga natin kung ilang kilo to. Ayan, meron akong ice scale here. So, titimbangin lang natin kung ilang kilo to. With the magazine, ano. Ayan. So, almost 1 kilo. 0.90. Try natin naman. Ayan, 0.90. 0.90. So, almost 1 kilo din, no? Yung timbang. Mabigat. Mabigat din siya. Okay? Mabigat. Okay? So, Sir JC of Muntinlupa. Sir, may gas na to, may BBs. So, ngayon, proceed tayo sa chronograph test kung ilang EPS po ito. Okay, Sir JC, chronograph testing of your 1911 MEU by Double Bell. So, let's check kung ilang EPS po ito ngayon. Okay? Okay. Firing. 336.2. 336.2. Okay, 325.7. Okay, wait lang, may magpipick up. Okay, sorry Sir JC, naputol ko yung video kasi mayroong nag-pick up ng unit. So, third test tayo. So, yung second test natin is 325, no? Ayan, 325.7. Okay, third test. Ayan, 338.4. And then the fourth test, 332.2. Okay. So, proceed tayo sa rapid. Okay, Sir JC, rapid firing test tayo. Firing. Okay. So, open chamber. Ibig sabihin, wala nang bala. Release the magazine. Then, pull back the slide. Then, release. Hammer down. Okay. Sir JC, okay na po ang inyong unit. And, okay, the 1911 MEU by Double Bell gas blowback. So, okay na siya for packing na siya. Then, if you have more question, please message us sa aming Facebook page sa 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Then, pwede rin sa Viber, sa WhatsApp. Ayan. So, thank you, Sir JC, for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And have a nice day po.